Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the spare tire off your Infiniti QX80. First, gather your tools, including the jack, lug wrench, and the spare tire lowering tool. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface and the parking brake is engaged. This preparation ensures your safety and makes the process much smoother. Next, open the rear hatch of your Infiniti QX80. You'll need to lift the cargo floor panel to reveal the toolkit and the spare tire lowering mechanism. This mechanism is typically a bolt or a crank that controls the cable holding the spare tire. Familiarize yourself with its location before proceeding. Now, insert the spare tire lowering tool into the designated slot. Turn the tool counterclockwise to begin lowering the spare tire. You will feel the cable slowly release the tire from underneath the vehicle. Continue turning until the tire is fully on the ground and the cable has enough slack to be disconnected. Finally, once the spare tire is on the ground, disconnect the cable from the center of the wheel. This usually involves a small hook or retainer. Carefully slide the spare tire out from under your Infiniti QX80. You can then place your flat tire in the cargo area for transport to a repair shop. Remember to resecure the lowering mechanism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.